Hi, my name is Rich Friedman from Ringside Networks, and today I'm going to be walking through some technology we're working on, focused on connecting users with the social web. And our focus, actually, to jump into the presentation, is doing that through some form of a social activity. Our belief is actually that any page can be social, any item within a page can be social, and that there are social activities kind of spread throughout. To enable them, first we have to enable users to participate on that page and around the specific activity that we're trying to make more social. And of course, we want the users to be able to connect with each other, so I should be able to assemble some form of part of my network. And we want them to then engage with each other on that website. We want to be able to make that extremely easy to deploy. So with that, we're actually going to go ringside, which is what we're calling this, and we'll take a quick tour. So to do that, we'll actually start off with a browser view, and we'll go into Firefox, and we're going to kind of prototype this out for everyone on a ticketing website like Ticketmaster.com, and we'll actually jump into a specific concert. We'll pick Jason Mraz and or Jonas Brothers, and we'll find some tickets. And as you can see, we've taken a standard page, and we've actually added just a button for them to make it more social. We can see our Facebook friends, and we can actually do email, and we'll actually throw an email in. We'll do both in this presentation, but we'll do an email as well. And we'll invite some of our Facebook friends, Jonathan and Jason, and we'll send that invite. It's going to go via email to the one email we had selected, as well as to our Facebook friends. They'll get a Facebook notification. And on this view, we can actually see the owner, the person who created it, can actually see their view of one, they're looking at the typical activity on this website, which is purchasing tickets, but they can actually see that I invited these three friends, and they'll be able to see and go back and forth to see who's replied, who's coming, who's not, update your notification as well, your message. So we'll actually go via email, and we'll get that notification out. And we can see we got a social pass notification, and we'll actually go click to find out more. So we get back to the Jonas Brothers page, but instead of being the person who started the event, we're actually one of the invitees. And in here we can actually say looking forward to it. And of course, at this point, I can actually decide I want to purchase tickets, and the system can actually tell the Go Ringside that I've purchased tickets and I'm sitting in seat 3B. As well as I can see who else has replied. So if we go back and we take a quick look at my view, the person who created the social event, and we would get a notification and we would come back to this page, we can actually see that not only that, but I can see that my friend is coming, is accepted, and as other people reply, I can see different messages. Two things to understand inside this context that kind of separate this out from other things is one, this really could be any application. We chose to make it a comment invite kind of piece, but it really could have been any social, open social type application, any Facebook application deployed with Ringside that can take advantage of this. And we do it in a very lightweight manner that the website, to achieve this, really pulls in a couple of script tags. There was no coding for the website or behind their infrastructure, and they actually get a social network or some type of mini social activity, mini social network related to this activity. We'll actually talk a little bit more about that as we kind of go back to the presentation. And as you can see, so we did a quick demo. It was very easy to add this button into the website. We'll be doing more demos along that line soon. We want to talk a little bit more. What happens if you own a website? What's your view or take of this? One, it was easy to add, but you've actually created many social graphs. So you have these graphs kind of on every single page, or many even on a single page that's related to that social activity. And then as you see how these people connect, you're actually seeing how they connect not just on a given page, but you're seeing how they connect via their activities. And you could see the specific person has one activity and they have certain first level friends and second level friends. So you're seeing their interactions, and you can broaden this view to actually see that across different social activities. So I might be connected on these two different sites, on these two different social activities, and not others. So you can begin to see how people use your technology, as well as how they're connected with their friends and how they behave. So that's our demo of Go Ringside. We believe we're trying to help make the web more social in an open manner. Take a look at our open source platform and as well as Menavera technology. Feel free to contact me at my email address or on Twitter, or check out ringsidenetworks.com. Thank you.